like, Dan, what are you doing? It's like, I'm saying my roommate's like, we're gonna smoke a lot of weed. It was perfect. It was just getting ready to sound like I'd have to like find a hotel in Whittier. I'd put